The tournament is obviously a great opportunity to prepare against 3 different teams. What is Jamaica looking to get out of these games?
Well, the same thing you say. I mean, it's a tournament that we're going to face 3 different opponents, you know, just kind of like the World Cup. So we hope to get facing different opponents, and then the competition level is great. So we hope to get great competition out of it and just see where we are in our preparation.
In terms of Australia hosting, how have you found it being here so far? Anything you guys can learn from for the Cup?
Yeah, we can learn about, I mean, we have to see what some of the team does. I mean, obviously, we're an upcoming nation. We're going to try to take some stuff, you know, what we see and what we learn. And Australia is a great sports country. So it's nice to be in this environment to see what we can do better as a nation and as a team.
Great challenge against Spain first up. What's your approach in that game?
Well, I mean, you know, Spain is a very, they love to possess the ball, and they're going to have a lot of possession. We know that, so we have to try to compete and use our athleticism and try to unbalance them a bit, you know. But we're trying to get, I mean, how good can we be defensively against Spain, and going forward, can we get something out of it going forward with our athleticism?
Aussie fans obviously know a lot about Bunny Shaw. When she had a great game against the Matildas at the last World Cup, how are you going about replacing her impact?
Well, I mean, Bunny's a leading scorer for us, and she's a leading scorer currently in the Women's League in England. So, I mean, you know, obviously we're going to miss her, but I think we're going to just concentrate on the players we have here. Okay, I think the team will step up, you know, because we're a team that doesn't really crumble. We always try to rise to the occasion, and hopefully we can do the same again.
For those that aren't familiar with women's football in Jamaica, what are the ambitions of the national team?
Well, I mean, you know, and that's a good question, because a lot of people in Jamaica are not familiar with women's football, or at the level that the women's football is at, and you know, the statue of the World Cup, you know, with the rest of the world. And I think as a nation, you know, we have to maybe do some research and learn some more, and hopefully stuff like this, the media, and you know, some of the people who are more versed in football can start teaching our nation about women's football, so we can catch up.
Perfect. Thanks for your time.
Thanks.